Well, Mushfiq, a little disappointing. You started the day with some kind of hope that you might be able to at least take a draw out of this. Didn't go the way you planned.
Definitely, I think if we can manage to play one session by losing any wickets, I think it will be great for us. But unfortunately, we lose early wickets, and also I think Saqib's wicket is a very big turning point.
And overall, I think the West Indies were on top of things right from the word go. You had problems getting their wickets, and then when you batted, it wasn't the best of starts in the first innings. How do you just read the whole test match?
I thought after loss the toss, it was a very batting wicket, and I think our bowlers did a great job, especially Saqib and Nasir, to restrict them in a modest total. But I think our first innings batting, it's let us down through the whole test. But a couple of good performances throughout the whole series, like Saqib, he had a great match, and also Tamim and Nasir and Naim, they played really well in the first innings, and Tamim in the second.
Yes, indeed. But there, the point of batting well and taking scores from the 50s and 60s and converting them into hundreds, that's been one of the lackings of the Bangladesh batting.
Definitely. If you want to win the test match, you have to score big, and I think our top order failed to do that. I think they get a start, but they didn't convert it into big ones that Darren Bravo and Kirk Edwards did. So I think we can learn from them, and hopefully we'll do in future.
And also the bowling department seemed a little out of sorts. There didn't seem to be that much penetration. You've got a big series coming up against Pakistan at the end of this month. So what are the steps you and the staff, the coaches and others going to take now?
Definitely, there is a lot of areas we can improve. Hopefully we will identify those areas, and we have a very tough series coming up. So I think the boys really work hard. Hopefully they will fit for the next stage.
Yes, and you've got a domestic season coming up. You're going to play, some of your players are going to play in that and then come back for the test series against Pakistan.
Yeah, definitely. A couple of players, they will play the domestic, and hopefully they will score runs and take wickets, and they will be confident to go through the Pakistan series.
Well, Mushfiqur Rahim, well tried, and best of luck to you and your boys for the series, and well done.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mushfiqur Rahim, for talking to us.